2018 Mazda CX-3 2.0 Skyactiv GGT Sport SUV 5-door petrol manual Euro 6, SS, 121 PS, 65708 miles, to previous owner, MOT the 23rd of April 27, service history, heated leather seats, lane warning, collision alert, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Mazda navigation system, reverse camera with parking sensors front and rear, BOSE speakers, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, air conditioning, dual zone climate control, cruise control, alloy wheels, CD, MP3 audio, DAB radio system with auxiliary, AUX, engine start, stop button, front rain, sensing, ISOFIX. Enjoy low interest rates and no admin fees on finance when you deal with us directly and avoid admin charges. Cars Ltd is a highly rated, family-run dealership in Sutton, London, proudly offering quality used cars with honest service and unbeatable value. With a 4.95 Auto Trader rating and up to 6 months warranty plus RR breakdown cover, we make sure you drive away with confidence. Visit us today and experience car buying the way it should be: simple, transparent, and friendly.